Welcome to Fun Maths. Today we'll be looking at a quadratic equation and how to factor it. Factor the quadratic expression 2x squared plus 9x plus 9. Okay, there are different ways to factor an expression. Different people have different ways they solve it. But today I'm going to do it this particular way. First of all, multiply the numbers at the beginning and the end of the expression. So multiply 2 and 9. I'm going to try to explain it step by step. 2 times 9, not the 9 in the middle, the 9 at the end. 2 times 9 is 18, right? That's the first step. Now let's look for the factors of 18. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Now this is how they link. 1 times 18 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. Now, we want to replace 9 here, although 9x, but 9 should be replaced with two numbers. The two numbers should either be the link, so it's either these two numbers, or these two numbers, or these two numbers. Now, if you look at the board, the two numbers we are going to use are two numbers that can add up to get 9, and already we know that they are factors of 18, so they multiply to get 18, but essentially they add up to get 9. 1 plus 18 is 19. 2 plus 9 is 11. 3 plus 6 is what? It's 9, which can replace 9 here. I hope you understand. So coming back to my equation, I have my expression 2x squared plus 9x plus 9. It will now be written as 2x squared. Leave the first and the last one, but replace the middle algebraic term. 2x squared plus 3 plus 6 we said is 9. So I'm going to write plus 3, but not just 3. The variable attached to 9 is x. So it will be plus 3x plus also 6x. Take the variable along with it, and then plus 9. The 9 here. Now we can factor out what we have as our expression. What is common here? That's what factorization means. Look for what is common. X looks like it's common, right? So if you bring x out, you open a bracket, and then if you divide x squared by x, you'll be removing one of the x there, right? Left with just x and 2. So this will be 2x plus, we have removed x and brought it out, we are left with just 3. That's the first one. And then plus what would be common between 6 and 9, since x is sure that x cannot be common here. So between 6 and 9, is there any number that can divide both of them? That number is 3. And so that number, you bring it out, factor it. That's what it means by factorization. Open a bracket, and then 6 divided by 3 is 2. Write that 2 and x attached with 6. Plus 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now when you factorize, ensure that the number in the first bracket and this second bracket are not just number, the terms are the same. If that is correct, then you can move on. And so since it's correct, the next thing you do is to pick one of them. You don't need the both of them. Pick one of them, 2x plus 3, and then you are multiplying it with a new bracket, which you are going to form using the numbers of variables attached to these brackets. X, write it there, plus 3. I hope you understand. So we form the new one along with this. This is what it means to factor this quadratic equation. Please take note. If the question says solve, and let's say it's equal to 0, that's an equation. But it didn't say it's equal to 0. It just gave it as an expression, no equation. Okay, so that's where we can stop based on our question. That's what factorization means. All right, till we meet again. This is Fun Online Maths. Please do to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share it also, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Till meet again. Bye.